If you don't like clicking a million times but still want to win those online games, then try OP Auto Clicker for Mac. It's fast, safe, and I'll show you how to set it up. Step 1. Download time. Head to opautoclicker.com or search OP Auto Clicker. Automatic tap in the Mac App Store. Pick the macOS version and hit download. If you're using the website, open the .dmg file in your Downloads folder. From the App Store, the install's automatic. Easy. Step 2. Permissions. When you first open the app, Mac might freak out and block it. No worries. Just right-click the app, choose Open, and confirm. Now go to System Settings, click Privacy and Security, then Accessibility. Flip the switch next to OP Auto Clicker. If you don't see it, click the plus, and add it yourself. Step 3. Customize your clicks. Set your click speed, type, and pick your hotkey. F6 is a classic. And you're done. Go forth and click like a pro. If you get stuck, just rewind and follow along.